So what's going on, guys? This is your boy TJ bringing you another unboxing video today. We're gonna unbox the Sony A7Cii 2. I just got this today in B&H. I will link it down in the description below. As always, I just want to unbox it in front of you. Maybe in the next video I'm gonna do a test footage or video or photo using this camera. I paired it up with the Sigma 20mm F1.4 because I want to have those crispy bokeh with the f1.4, and a 20mm wide lens. So that's the only reason I got the 20mm Sigma. So yeah, let's unbox this camera. This is my second Sony camera. The other one is the Sony ZV-E10, which I am always using for my top down videos. Yep, so let's see what's inside. First things first, it's the papers, a lot of papers, and then the the notorious Sony A7Cii strap, which I don't use. I don't know, I don't use strap ever since. I don't know, this always stays in the box. Of course, the FC100. I hope this has a juice. I got an extra one. I bought the third party. Yeah, the same store in B&H today. So let's open the star of the show. Sorry for my mess. My table is really messy. Doesn't have a cable for charging. Well, didn't come with a charging cable, so alright. Wow, this camera is so small. Look at that. I think this is a 33 megapixel, and this is full frame. Goodness. So the bundle that I bought from B&H comes with a bag, which I don't know, a bag and 128 gigabit SD card. For the price, the camera itself without the lens is $2,198, including tax here in New York City. So do the math. I'm not sponsored, so yeah. It comes with this thing, memory card. So let's put this thing, the memory card. When it comes to Sony, I am so noob. There you go. It has only one memory card slot. It has USB-C on the side for charging, mic input, and it has a headphone jack, which is in the same side as the memory card slot, and of course the notorious micro USB here. Let's see if one of my battery has a juice before we put the lens on. And let's power this on, and it has no juice. So let me see if the other battery has a juice. And look, it has battery. We're gonna set up this bad boy, and then we will unbox this 20mm F1.4. I'll be back. Okay, we are back with the power of the internet. We already set up this camera, so we're gonna unbox this bad boy, which is the Sigma 20mm F1.4. This is $899, not including the tax, here in New York City. Is linked in the description below. So it has a 4-year USA warranty, which is great, right? It has a paper inside, and this is the strap. Wow. Alright, it comes with a strap because the lens comes with a nice big pouch. So it stays over there, nothing inside the box. Whew. Let's open this bad boy. This is the 20mm F1.4, and this is the new version that I got. Wow. I think it has a clickable aperture ring. See, you hear that? I think this thing has an 82mm filter. Let's try this out on my new Sony camera. I couldn't even. There you go. There you go. All right. Let's see for the first time. Oh my God, look at that. Let me set this up real quick, and let me put a mic on top of the camera. So I'm back. It took me like 5 minutes to set up everything, and this is gonna be my first recording using this bad boy, which is the Sony A7Cii Mark II. This is light, this is compact, and wow, I see everything is nice. Yep. Wow, I think I'm gonna love this camera. This is small, and look at the bokeh on this lens. Yep. Wow. So let me know if I'm gonna change to Sony and leave Canon. So if you have any questions regarding this camera, let me know in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Comment below, tell me about my video today. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.